wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best smart window blinds. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the current Products Corporation E1 starter includes 3 wands and a remote that take your existing blinds from boring to brainy by way of built-in temperature and light sensors that can operate in partially or fully automatic modes and provide a high degree of customization. The wands can be grouped if desired, however they're not exactly inexpensive, and these won't work with Alexa. At number 7, cordless for safety, the IKEA fyrtur arrives pre-paired with a remote, or you can control it via an app and the TradFi gateway, which is sold separately. This is a blackout model with an opaque fabric. It comes in a neutral grey colour, made of durable aluminum and steel components, but it can't be cut to size. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the aeotec Nano works with certified Z-Wave gateways to run your existing electrically operated accessories, from curtains to awnings. It comes with decent security, such as 128-bit AES encryption. It offers a nearly 500-foot range and a fast response time. However, the required wiring is not included. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart window blinds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, although these yoolax motorized roller shades are technically not smart, they can be paired with some smart solutions, such as the Broadlink RM Pro Plus hub, making them a good choice for those who don't mind a little DIY, or you can use the included remote to manage them. There are several colors available, but the instructions could be better. But note that these aren't compatible with Apple HomeKit. Halfway up our list at number 4, even though it's called a kit, it's possible you'll need to purchase a few small parts to finish installing the rollerhouse wireless motor, such as mounting brackets. Nevertheless, if you are putting together your own system, it's a good starting point. It includes an integrated rechargeable battery and comes in several sizes. The larger versions can lift 7 pounds. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the insteon Micro Open Close can help you take control of a motorized window treatment or projection screen. You will need to pair it with the insteon hub, which is available for purchase separately. It comes with a very small inline module and installs behind an existing switch. It's not terribly expensive either. At number 2, the Tuya Wi-Fi makes it easy to add some power to existing shades. Designed to work with tubes that have an inner diameter of 1.5 inches, it installs in a flash and is a breeze to operate thanks to the included remote control. It's got a speed of 20 revolutions per minute and no hub is required. It comes with a money-back guarantee. And taking the top spot on our list, although the mysmartblinds automation kit does suffer from some installation and compatibility issues, for those who are technically inclined and eco-conscious, it's a rare solar-powered choice that can provide energy savings and meet your environmental goals. It includes built-in temperature sensors and allows for daily and weekly scheduling. This one's designed for horizontal corded blinds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for smart window blinds, or simply click beneath this video.